Now we're going to put on the light dependent resistor and its ballast resistor and the header. So this shouldn't take us too long. So first of all, it doesn't matter which way around the GL5516 LDR goes in. I normally bend it like this so it peers over the edge of the board, so I make it face forwards. And this forms a potential divider with the resistor, the 10k resistor, which we're going to put in now, which is R7, which goes here. 10k resistor again. Not much we can do to test this part of the circuitry at the moment, so we'll just leave it and move on. And the header, which we're going to put in and this is just to hold it in place while we make the first connection. Okay, and then from there on it'll be held in place physically itself, and we'll just make sure that it's upright and solder it. There we go. So now we're going to do the last part of the clock build. And that is the real-time clock, which is a backup if for any reason you can't get any Wi-Fi, and that is going to be the DS1307 and the socket, which go there. It's going to be the watch crystal, the holder for the CR1220, and the two resistors R8 and R9. Don't fill in R5. R8 is here, R9 is there, and then there's R5. And also the decoupling capacitor C15. So let's fit in the socket, which faces the other way to the other sockets here. Okay, that's fallen out a little bit, so I will seat it properly. The watch crystal, you have to be a bit careful not to overheat this, so we pop it in there and we'll gently give it the solder. 1, 2. Should be fairly quick movements, we shouldn't linger on it too much. The decoupling capacitor to make sure that the 1307 remains stable. The two 10k resistors, which are the pull-up resistors for the I2C interface. R8, which is on the left, and R9, which is in the middle. Good. Then the final component on the main board. This is the CR1220 battery holder. And that fits nicely on the footprint there, and then all we're going to do is just give the two tabs on the end a quick blast of solder. DS1307 in its socket. So let's make the legs parallel, and we're going to put it with the tab facing the notch, facing the tubes. Okay,